In Fredericton, New Brunswick, Canada, a young man named Jim met a radiant girl, Donna. Love sparked. They tied the knot and embarked on a journey together. A used car enterprise they cherished and named as Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals. Their business isn't just about selling cars. It's about spreading smiles, fostering trust, and building relationships. They set themselves apart with their unique pillars. Every car sold came with a full tank of gas, a clean or new cabin air filter, 2-key guarantee, and a CatStrap anti-theft device installed if needed. They offered their personal 12-month motor vehicle inspection guarantee, a free Carfax history report, nitrogen-filled tires, and an internal vehicle inspection service that exceeded industry standards by 200% and factory warranty. To top it all off, they offered free job loss protection for financed vehicles and celebrated their customers with annual birthday gifts. Now, 44 years later, Jim might have lost some hair, but his spirit remains unchanged. Donna, with her beauty ever so charming, albeit with streaks of gray, along with their son Alex and daughter Chelsea, son-in-law Rob and daughter-in-law Chelsea. They have added a new feature, the prize wheel, ensuring every customer wins something at Wheels and Deals. Their family journey continues, fueled by love, commitment, and their enduring promise to make their customers feel hugged.